If you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create monetizable YouTube Shorts in bulk using AI. I'll walk you through some cool tools and methods I personally use that have proven successful, allowing me to earn consistent income online. Of course, I have various revenue streams, from long-form to short-form content, email marketing, and AI-driven strategies across multiple platforms. My approach combines these methods to maximize results. For a bit of context, today, I'll be showing you how to make top website-type videos that promote specific links. These links pay commissions when viewers sign up, adding another income stream to your content. We'll use ChatGPT and Google Sheets to mass generate scripts and set up a schedule across multiple social media platforms, all with minimal effort. I'll also share my exact system for creating these faceless, AI-generated videos, which work exceptionally well. And here's the best part. I'm providing all the tools and resources for free. I used to sell courses, but now I'm giving it all away. In this video, you'll find free tools, a checklist, and step-by-step guidance to get started. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll send you everything directly in a reply. We'll cover a lot in this video, so grab a snack, settle in, or bookmark it for later if you need to. I've spent years refining these techniques, experimenting with AI-driven images, avatars, and scripts. After nearly a decade on YouTube, I'm sharing everything I've found that works, both for me and others. Remember, the full course is also free, and it goes even deeper into my processes. Remember, the links to everything mentioned are below, trials, so you can get started today. Alright, so let's break down exactly what we're doing in this system step by step. First, we start by choosing the type of videos we want to create. The best performing videos tend to be those top 3 or top 5 types that are easy to recreate in different ways. These work well because they're quick to watch and can be repeated consistently. I recommend starting with short-form content, like YouTube Shorts, as it's a great way to build an audience quickly. Of course, as you get comfortable, you'll want to diversify with other types of content like long-form videos, emails, and live streams to expand your reach. Now, let's talk about the format. We're focusing on faceless, short-form videos to make it easy to produce at scale. The goal here is to create repeatable content, like top lists of websites or tools, which are engaging and effective. For example, let me pull up one of my own social media accounts to show you a recent video we posted. We include a call to action, CTA, in each video, prompting viewers to comment if they're interested. This drives engagement and gathers leads, which we then follow up on with links to affiliate programs or products we're promoting. When viewers comment, our automated system sends them a link directly. The actual videos we create are super straightforward. A video might showcase top 3 websites for a specific purpose, where we introduce each website briefly. And for the visuals, we generate images that are combined into a video, adding text, music, and sound effects to make it more dynamic. Here's one example. Each time we create a similar video, it's unique due to different images, music, and sounds. The visuals are AI generated, and I'll show you how to create these at scale. For distribution, we're not just posting on one platform. We're uploading across all our social media profiles: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Threads, and more. With around 40 profiles, posting 4 times per day, we're generating up to 160 posts daily. Even with just 10 views per post, the cumulative reach is significant, bringing in continuous leads. To produce these videos, here's the workflow. Generate images with tools like Stable Diffusion using the Gen 3 feature. Use CapCut to turn these images into videos. Add AI-generated audio and sound effects from 11 Labs. Schedule posts using a tool like Radar to automate distribution across all platforms. While this approach is a bit manual, it improves the final video quality and keeps us organized with automation for scripts, prompts, and editing tasks. Alternatively, you could use a faster process with tools like Shiny, where scripts are generated and images are instantly transformed into videos. Canva also has a system for generating custom variables if you want to maximize automation. The trade-off is between quality and ease of automation. But by outsourcing to virtual assistants, VAs, who can help with these steps for a few dollars an hour, you can still get the scale you want while keeping quality intact. This approach gives you flexibility. Whether you want mass automation or a higher quality, semi-automated approach, you're covered. In summary, we're creating top 5 videos, generating visuals with AI, adding sound effects, and distributing across multiple platforms. It's an efficient, scalable system designed to drive engagement, generate leads, and ultimately build revenue. Let's dive in. All right, so here's how we start creating content at a basic level, which all begins with a solid script. A script provides the foundation. It's the text that we can transform into videos. Without a script, there's no way to do voiceovers or use text-to-speech, even if you're planning to record the video yourself without any AI. So, we need to start with something that's proven to work. There's actually a new tool called Trend Spotter by Spotter Studio that I just started using, and it's really effective. It lets you see the top videos on YouTube based on specific dates. If I select all of YouTube and apply it, I can instantly view top-performing videos and filter by views or engagement. For example, I can find content that's trending with millions of views, and the goal here is to replicate the content that already has proven success. One type of content I focus on is top websites videos, which perform well and have the added benefit of monetization. Not only can we earn from views and engagement, but we can also include affiliate links to those websites, generating additional revenue. So let's say I want to find popular top websites content. I can filter the results to display the most popular recent videos in this category. For example, I might pick one from my YouTube Shorts, which has performed well, like a video with 1.7K views. To get the transcript of a specific video, I'll go to the video URL and make a small tweak. By changing Shorts in the URL to video, I can access the full video page. From there, I can select More and view the transcript, which I'll copy as my base script. Once I have the script, I can use AI tools like ChatGPT to regenerate it for my own content. You could do this manually by asking ChatGPT to rewrite the script. But if you want to scale, this could take a while if you're creating hundreds or thousands of videos. A more efficient way is to use the Google Sheets GPT plugin. With it, you can automatically generate multiple variations of the script for new videos without manually copying and pasting each time. This lets you quickly build out a library of scripts that are ready to use. This process makes it easy to create engaging content based on proven scripts, saving you time and maximizing the potential for views and engagement across platforms. This tool is incredibly versatile with practically endless applications. I used a similar approach to create a 260-page website, theichecklist.com, and a 209,000-word blog post, all using this Google Sheets method. If you're interested in learning how to build large-scale websites with GPT for Sheets and WP all-in-one import, let me know. I can create a video guide showing how to rank these comprehensive sites on Google. Already, I'm seeing some traffic from these sites, which is exciting. Here's a quick breakdown of how I use this method. First, I go into my checklist and use GPT for Sheets, which you can easily install by clicking on Add-ons, then Get Add-ons, and searching for GPT. It's the one with green sparkles. This add-on allows bulk processing, so instead of manually entering prompts into ChatGPT, you can generate thousands of outputs in seconds, whether for video scripts, blog posts, or web pages. Once installed, you'll find it under extensions greater than GPT for Sheets. Open it and make sure it's enabled. Then, using the bulk tools and custom prompt options, you can apply any prompt to a large set of data. Let's say you've got a script from a YouTube short and want to create multiple variations. Simply paste that script into the first column of your Google Sheet. You can remove timestamps from the transcript and then paste it into the first cell of the column. From there, to replicate the script across many rows, say you're generating 1,000 versions, just copy the initial cell, hold Shift, scroll to the bottom of your column, and paste. This lets you create thousands of scripts or prompts at once, all ready for further processing. Finally, if you're working on different types of content, you can input various keywords in the first column and have unique scripts generated for each. For those who prefer shortcuts, here are a few time savers. On Windows, use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for copying and pasting. On Mac, use Command+C and Command+V. Or right-click and select Paste to fill the cells. Now, let's dive into the checklist. With GPT for Sheets, we can apply different prompts in bulk, allowing us to generate vast amounts of content instantly. With this tool, instead of prompting ChatGPT one by one, you can process prompts in bulk. This means you could generate thousands of video scripts, blog posts, or WordPress pages in seconds and import them right into your preferred platform. To install it, go to Extensions after downloading it, click on GPT for Sheets, open it, and make sure it's enabled. For those who prefer live tutorials, let me know. I've been asking in our Discord group whether people prefer live or recorded formats. Leave a comment with what works best for you. So when we're inside the Sheets automation, you'll see a range of functions for generating content. From lists and tables to translations, we'll start by going to Bulk Tools and selecting Custom Prompt. Let's say we want to rewrite a YouTube short script. You'd paste your transcript into column A, and then configure how you want the content rewritten. You can even add prompts to make it funny, serious, or in different tones depending on your needs. The beauty of Sheets is you can simply paste the script across multiple columns to handle large-scale tasks. For instance, you could copy your transcript into the first cell, then hold down Shift, scroll down to the last cell, and paste it across as many rows as you need. With all scripts in place, let's say you want 10 outputs for now, so we'll set that up. And boom! Now we've got 10 variations of the original script. You can also adjust creativity and frequency parameters if needed, depending on the model, like ChatGPT or Claude. I'm not an AI expert, but playing around with these settings is an easy way to find the right balance. Once you're ready, click Run to generate the rewritten scripts. Now, if you're looking to convert these scripts into voiceovers without recording yourself, 11 Labs has some fantastic text-to-speech options. They even have a cool epic movie voice if you're aiming for something dramatic. 11 Labs does offer a free tier with daily limits, but for premium voices or high output use, you might want to upgrade. After generating the audio, you can download the MP3 and move on to video production. At this point, you've got the hardest part, creating the script out of the way. You could add visuals, AI avatars, or anything that fits your style. While I'm showing a manual setup here, you can eventually automate the entire process, connecting script generation, voiceover, and video creation to streamline content creation even further. Let's jump into CapCut, a free editing tool. You'll find links to this and other tools in the description. I'm going to open CapCut and drag in our audio file from the Downloads folder. Now, we've got the audio in CapCut, ready for our video. For this, I want to make a short, so I'll adjust the ratio to 9:16. With just audio, we could even create a simple short by adding automatic captions on a black background. That alone could be a quick, shareable video. If you want to add your own website links or resources in your videos, you'll find detailed instructions in the course, where we cover step-by-step setups for websites, funnels, email automations, and more using tools like GoHighLevel. The course includes short videos on everything from buying a domain to connecting it with your setup. Back in CapCut, I'll hit automatic captions to get the text on the screen. Now we can export this as a short and schedule it. If you want to add visuals, you have several options. Using AI avatars, scrolling images, animated image to video, or even recording yourself or hiring someone. In the future, AI-generated video will be even better. OpenAI's Sora, for example, could let us create realistic videos with text prompts alone. Now let me show you how to generate images for our video with ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I'll use an image generator to create visuals based on our script. You can download these images and upload them to CapCut, adding captions for a more dynamic video. For a more automated option, you can use tools like Shine to take a script and quickly generate short or long-form videos with built-in voiceover and basic visual elements. With Shine, just paste in the script, select the voice, and generate the video. It's faster than manual setup, but offers less customization. Every step you automate saves time, but can limit customization. So find the balance that works best for your content style and workflow. With these steps, you can produce engaging videos quickly and adjust them to your needs, whether for short-form content, educational videos, or tutorials. Again, if you're new here and enjoying this content, let me know by dropping a comment. If you'd like more videos like this, I'd love to hear. Plus, I've got tons of free resources, including a checklist and course, all linked in the description. All right, so we've covered how to manually create videos with Shiny. Now, let's switch to an animated style using Runway ML. To get started, you just upload one of the images we generated and use prompts for video generation. Runway ML has tons of examples and guides for various effects, like low-angle shots, overhead views, and animated avatars. You can take any static image, even one of yourself, and add movement like making it dance or laugh. Just set up your scene, choose dimensions, and create animations up to 10 seconds long. And by the way, if you're enrolled in our course, you'll find a full checklist of over 400 AI tools, so no worries about keeping track of everything. It's in your welcome package, or you can reach out if you need help accessing it. Just open a ticket on Discord or email me directly. Back in Runway, let's test our glowing, moving chest effect. See how cool this is? When added into CapCut, animations like these create such an engaging look. And it doesn't stop there. Runway also supports lip syncing for AI avatars, adding another layer to our videos. Sound effects are another way we level up the experience. 11 Labs, for instance, can generate sounds like retro gaming or ambient city sounds, tailored to fit any theme. Just select the sound, download, and layer it over your visuals in CapCut for a fully immersive video. And if you're looking for background music, check out Sono AI. It can generate custom, copyright-free tracks that match your content perfectly. Just enter a few prompts like futuristic AI theme, and it'll produce instrumental or vocal tracks to download and drop into CapCut. With tools like these, the final product feels fresh, and viewers get that wow, how did they do that? Reaction, sound effects, animated visuals, music, all seamlessly integrated to make every video stand out. All right, let's talk about bringing all of these elements together seamlessly. You can actually automate a lot of this process. For instance, using tools like Shiffy can assist with generating images, while Sheets can help organize and streamline other steps. Right now, I'm trying to secure the API key for Gen 3, which would let me call APIs directly for both image and video generation. But if you're looking for easier ways to automate without the tech integration, you can head to a platform like onlinejobs.ph. I've included a free account link in the description. There, you can find virtual assistants who can handle this process for you. For example, you can hire a VA, send them this video, set a pay rate between $2 and $6 an hour, and ask them to follow the steps I outlined here. They can create prompts, handle image and video generation, and take care of everything just by following this tutorial. This is actually how my team operates. They watch the training videos I create and then take on tasks like prompting, image creation, and video production. And it's highly cost-effective, just a few dollars per video, so if you'd rather outsource than DIY, this is an efficient option. Now, once you've got all your assets, music, videos, voiceovers, everything, the next step is further automation. Canva, for example, has a bulk creation feature for video generation. You can watch tutorials on Canva bulk short generation to see how it works. But while Canva can quickly mass-produce video content, the outputs might start feeling a bit too similar and lack uniqueness. In my experience, the best results come from hiring a team to produce custom content. My team creates these assets and then schedules them through Radar, a tool where you can connect all your social profiles. Again, there's a free account link for Radar in the description. My team handles all scheduling, so videos like this one go out to 43 different social platforms, generating thousands of clicks and bringing more traffic to my funnel. Here's a cool trick I use. Instead of linking directly to tools or websites in my videos, I create custom links that redirect to my affiliate links, so I earn revenue whenever someone signs up through my links. This strategy generates both leads and income through the videos themselves. Of course, there's even more to this process. When someone signs up or shows interest but isn't quite ready to commit, I use a system like GoHighLevel to automate follow-ups. This platform handles email and text outreach, nurturing leads through ongoing engagement. My back-end automations, like those I teach in my course, play a huge role in converting clicks to leads. With this system, everything from short-form videos, email campaigns, Discord posts, and social media content is AI-generated and strategically set up to drive thousands of clicks and leads every month. All I do is keep the system running. If you want to stay updated, let me know. Your support encourages me to keep creating these guides, which take a lot of effort and planning. So please comment, subscribe, and I'll even reply to your comments with access to today's tools for free. Thanks for tuning in. Happy content creating, and see you next time.